Hello everybody and welcome to another adventure on Watermelly's English Planet. We are back to school and I wanted to talk a little bit about school supplies. Supplies are things that we need for a specific reason. In this situation, there are things that we need for school, okay? So I'm going to show you some objects and I'm going to tell you the name and you're going to listen and you're going to repeat at home, okay? Let's get started. Here I have, look at this, my pencil. Let's repeat, pencil. It's my little baby pencil. Pencil, okay. Good. Next one, we have pen. Pen, okay? So let's repeat one more time. Pen. Okay, what else do I have here? Oh, I have here a pencil sharpener. Okay, so one more time, pencil sharpener. So we use a pencil sharpener with our pencil. Yeah, okay. Now we have glue. Let's say it together. Glue. Yeah, so glue for our paper. So glue. Okay. What else do I have? I have tape. Tape. One more time. Tape. Okay. What else do I have? Oh, okay. Let's do this one. Ruler. Ruler. One more time. Ruler. Okay. It's a ruler. It's a little baby ruler too. Everything I have is small. Okay. Let's do this one. What is this one, students? Ooh. This one is a notebook. One more time. Notebook. Yeah? Notebook. So you can use your pen, your pencil to write in your notebook. Yes? What else do I have here? Look at this. Okay, so we have a calendar. Okay, with a cat because I love animals. But calendar. Okay, one more time. Calendar. Okay, and I think October 23rd is a very important date. It's my birthday. Okay, so next one that we have is a calculator. One more time. Calculator. I'll repeat one more. Calculator. Yes? Calculator. It's a little baby calculator. So the calculator, you have a calculator in your phone. Most everybody has a calculator in your phone. But if you need an extra one, you can get a little calculator for school, right? But you can put your calculator inside, we call this a pencil case, okay? Pencil case. One more time, pencil case. So I'm going to put my calculator inside the pencil case. I'm going to put my pencil inside the pencil case, okay? Pencil case. Look at this one, students. I have a paper clip. Let's say it one more time. Paper clip. One more. Paper clip. Yes? So we have our paper clip. And look at this one, students. We have an eraser. Eraser. Eraser, we use it when you write something that's incorrect and you need to erase. Eraser. Okay? But look at this, students. This one is also an eraser. This eraser, we use it for the board, okay? So this is an eraser for the board. In this situation, we call this one a whiteboard, okay? Let's say it, whiteboard. It's a little baby whiteboard, and it's a whiteboard, okay? So for the whiteboard, we're going to use a marker. Okay, this is a marker. One more time, marker. Okay, not market, because sometimes students make that mistake and you say market. It's not the market, marker. Okay, so we use a marker on the board. In this situation, it's the whiteboard. Yes? Use a whiteboard, and then we can use the eraser, right? So eraser. This one's an eraser, and this one's an eraser, okay? Then we have book, right? So we have our book. Yes? One more time, book. Yes? And I think I'm going to do, oh, two more. I have two more that we're going to do. This one, what is this one, students? Any ideas? This one is a stapler. Let's do it one more time. Stapler. One more. Stapler. Okay? Stapler. No, I'm not going to do that. That's a bad idea. Okay, my students. We have actually two more. So this is a binder. A binder. And I think I have another one. So binder. Yes? Binder. And for the binder, to put things inside the binder, we're going to use this thing. Oh, what is this? So students, this is a hole punch, but specifically it's 1, 2, 3, 3 hole punch. This is everybody's favorite. It's a 3-hole punch, okay? One more time. 3, remember the TH sound. I have another video to practice the TH sound. But it's not the tree is outside. It's 3, 3. The 3-hole punch, okay? I'll just say hole punch if it's too difficult. But this one specifically is 3-hole punch, okay? Do I have anything else? I think that's it for today. So those are your basic school supplies. If you have any questions, you can send me a message. And if you like this video, you can always hit like, hit subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, tell your neighbor, tell everybody. And please, 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 my students, continue to protect yourselves. Wear your mask. I have many different masks. Wear your mask, wash your hands, practice social distancing, stay home if you don't have to go outside, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.